Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to get rid of anthills in your garden. This video will explore everything you need to provide methods to keep your garden free from the nuisance of anthills, so make sure you stick around for that. Use DIY liquid. The most common and cheapest way of getting rid of anthills is by first killing ants with whatever remedy you already have. Some of the DIY solutions that you can use to get rid of ants and their tunnels include boiling water. Simply boil water. Find the ants' nest in your garden and pour the water on them. The water heat destroys the tunnels and eliminates any ants. However, this method is labor-intensive, requiring several attempts to eliminate anthills completely. It can also cause your grass to turn brown due to scalding. Carbonated water. When you pour this water on anthills, if the hill isn't rigid, not only will it destroy the hill, but it will also displace all the oxygen in the anthill, making the ants suffocate. Use a soapy solution. Mix water, olive oil, and dishwasher liquid and pour it into the tunnels. This liquid is said to penetrate the exoskeleton of the ants and suffocate them. This way you can easily get rid of anthills and be sure that they will not be rebuilt because you've killed off the ants. Flatten the anthills. Another effective, yet labor-intensive method of getting rid of anthills is using a rake to flatten the tunnels. This sends a message to the ants that their tunnel is no longer safe for them. However, there is a huge possibility that they will rebuild an anthill in your lawn. Thus, you have to do this frequently and several times to keep the ants away. This is a great method if you do not want to use chemicals on your grass. Use sugar and boric acid paste. The science behind this paste is that the sweetness in the sugar is meant to attract the ants, and after they carry it to the anthill, they will die because of the boric acid, leading to the destruction of their colony. However, ensure that you use enough boric acid to get rid of the ants. Insecticides. Various insecticides in the market target ants and will help you eliminate any anthills. A good insecticide should be able to get rid of ants and anthills from your lawn for long periods of time. So there you have it. Getting rid of anthills in your garden should be easy, and it leaves your lawn looking beautiful and healthy. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure to drop them below and like this video. Till next time.